Give me a few minutes and I'll show you 5 easy drone moves to try on your next vacation. They're quick enough to do on every flight, so you never miss a chance to capture something amazing. If you've ever come home with boring footage, these will make your trip look like a movie. We'll go from beginner to advanced, so power up your drone and let's fly in. Hey, this is Adam with UAV Coach, and our goal is to help you fly safe and have fun. And it is vacation season, at least for all of us in the Northern Hemisphere. So let's get down to business so you can actually come back with drone footage you're proud of and maybe prove to some people that yes, the drone was a good investment. Anyways, let's get into it. First up, just fly straight. Seriously, that's it. Push your right stick forward, backward, or side to side and watch the drone bring the scene to life. It might sound too basic, I know, but a smooth, straight, or sideways flight can be super effective, especially for intro shots or setting the scene. It's a simple move, offers clean results, and can be done in 30 seconds or less. Next is the top-down angle. It's like shot number 1, but you make it vertical. Tilt your gimbal all the way down, usually to -90 degrees, which you can do by using the dial on the back of the controller, and then fly forward just like before. This gives you that classic bird's eye view that's only possible with a drone. I've used it for beaches, roads, fields, you name it. It's oddly satisfying and can instantly make your edit feel cooler. Third on the list is the orbit. This one's a little trickier, but totally worth it. Just pick your main subject, decide which way you want to rotate, and then push the right stick in that direction. At the same time, nudge the left stick in the opposite way. You'll get a smooth wraparound effect that can add this sense of drama to each shot. And the one thing to remember for the orbit is to go very slow. You want to try your best to keep the same amount of pressure on each stick for as long as you can, especially the left stick, which controls the yaw or the direction the drone rotates. If you go too fast on the left stick, you'll get shots that look like the drone is just spinning. And if you go too slow, it will look like the drone is mainly just moving left to right. So you have to find that right balance and be consistent with it. But trust me, when you do get it consistent, it is a very awesome effect. Number 4 is the droney, which just means a drone selfie. So start close to your subject and then fly back and up at the same time. It's the ultimate location reveal, and this can be great for showing off epic scenery or even just adding scale to the area around you. One pro tip is to speed up the middle part in editing to get to that wow moment faster, especially if you don't want people watching you fly backward for 12 to 20 seconds. This also gives you the freedom to go slower while filming if you need to be cautious of any obstacles the drone is heading toward. I've done this a lot where there are trees around me and I have to be very careful, so speeding it up in the edit helps a lot. And finally, the tilt reveal. This one starts like a top-down shot, but with a twist. While flying forward, slowly tilt your gimbal up until it's level. That way, you're revealing the landscape as you move. It's great for transitions, intros, dramatic reveals, all of it. And just make sure to ease off the dial as you approach 0 degrees. Otherwise, the gimbal will slam to a stop and it'll look like it just hit a wall. And as you can see from this shot, it doesn't look that great. So that's it. 5 shots you can do on every drone flight so you come back with awesome cinematic footage that is ready to be shared with your friends, family, or anyone else. Again, I film these shots on almost every flight just so I have at least 4 to 5 shots that I know are gonna look good. And doing all of these shots, at least for me, kind of heightens the travel experience. I not only get to experience the world, but I'm able to capture these moments with my drone, and then I can relive the memories again and again, especially because they look so cinematic. So make sure to practice these moves and try them out on your next trip, and let us know how it goes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.